Hello and welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can work with Canva right inside ChatGPT. So here is my ChatGPT. Just log into your ChatGPT account and then go to Explore GPTs. Click on Explore GPTs and then search for Canva in the search bar. Canva. Or you can just scroll down to find Canva. So here it is. Open. Now there are about 9 million plus conversations already. People have used this app right inside ChatGPT over 9 million times. And then we have about 3.3 ratings. So here I can go ahead and start a conversation. Just click on Start Chat to start a conversation. So assuming you don't have anything you want to create, you just want to try this out, there are conversation starters for you here. How about an inspiration quotes, graphics, and then I need a poster. So these are conversation starters. Let's say you don't have anything in mind that you want to create. You can use a conversation starter to see how it works. But if you have anything you want to create, let's say you want to create a presentation, logo, social media post, you can just ask ChatGPT, ask Canva right inside here in this box to create that for you. So I'm going to use this first one, an inspiration quote. Let me just click on it and then let's wait. So here it says Canva wants to talk to ChatGPT plugin.canva.com. So I'll allow that to happen so I can create, so it can create my quotes graphics. And give it a moment. So here I have my design. So here I have different designs, about how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have I have 5 different designs it has given me. Now, one interesting thing about this is that you can actually move this design into Canva and begin editing. Let me click on it. Once you click on it, it will take you to Canva platform where you can now begin editing. So once you click on any of the designs, if I click on this one, it will redirect me to Canva where I can now edit it, add any other element I want. I can change the background, I can change the colors to my brand color, I can change the quote. If I don't want the quote, I can add my brand elements, brand assets to it. So this is an interesting thing that many people don't know. So you can actually ask ChatGPT to create a graphics for you, and once it is done doing that, you can click on that graphics and then it will redirect you to Canva where you can do minor adjustment or editing. So this is how you can work with Canva right inside ChatGPT. I hope you found value in this, and if you don't subscribe, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly do so. If you found value in this tutorial, as always, kindly give me a like. And if you have any question regarding this tutorial or anything in Canva, you can drop it in the comment section and I'll be there to reply you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next tutorial.